Welcome to Misa Reviews. Here, me and Mia, we review it so you don't have to.
You upload your notes, and two people start talking about them. They have a rapport, they interrupt each other. Neither of them exists, and neither has seen anything except the file you just gave them. The tool is Gemini Notebook, called Notebook LM until July. Same product, new name and address, so half the tutorials online now point at the wrong place. You drop in documents, PDFs, slides, a YouTube link, or pasted notes, press one button, and it produces an audio discussion of your own material in any of 80-odd languages. Free gets you 100 notebooks, 50 sources each, and roughly 3 audio overviews a day. That is a lot for nothing. Paid is $4.99 a month for Plus and $19.99 for Pro, bundled inside Google's AI plans rather than sold on its own. I have not paid for this. It is from Google's own documentation and from published testing. So what is wrong with it? The hosts pad. They are enthusiastic about everything, including the boring parts, and 5 minutes on a document you wrote yourself feels long. They stay inside your sources, which is the good bit, but they can misread them and say it confidently. You cannot edit the audio afterwards, so if one sentence is wrong, you regenerate the whole thing and hope. And the length controls are English only. Use it, but do not pay for it yet. 3 a day covers anyone turning their own reading into something to listen to on a walk. If you hit that ceiling often, Plus at $4.99 is the sensible step, not the $20 one. And if you want a podcast you can publish, this is the wrong tool. It is for listening, not producing.